So now I'm going to show you if you need to take one of these wine racks apart, say you've put it together in this configuration for one kit and you want to take it apart and build it differently, or put 2 or 3 kits together, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the easiest way to do it is just start on one side or the other and start carefully working one ring off. And it comes off pretty easy. If some of the pieces come off with it, that's fine. We're going to be removing all those anyway. So, and then we're just going to continue on that one side. Voila, we have that off. We can go ahead and take the rest of our slats out. Now the double ones come out a little bit harder. Sometimes it's easiest to go ahead and almost the same way you were taking the rings off, to go ahead and start with pulling one of the rings away and separate it that way and get it down so those pieces are just touching one ring before we try to remove those pieces. And we're back to square one. So we're all apart now. So I'm going to take a break here. I'm going to go grab another kit so we can put together 2 or 3 kits at one time and kind of show you how that looks.